Okay, here we are back at our entryway. And so I would say that maybe I'm not the biggest fan of this eye right here. Maybe I want a different hotspot leading me to the informational page. I'm going to go back in here to the edit hotspot, and I am going to go to right here, open library. Okay, and for here, I'm going to go to click new item. Okay, now I have on my desktop here, right here. This is just a screen capture that I put into Photoshop and just got this little image from that video that I shot just a minute ago. Okay, I'm going to use this image. And there it is. Now when they click that instead of the icon, let's save this info spot. Now it's going to change from the eye to a smiling MJ. And if they click it, it will go to same website. Okay, so this could be your logo, your company's logo. This could be a picture of your face with a circle. I did like a square with rounded edges, but that could just as easily be a circle with a white stroke around it. So you're not stuck with the built-in images that they have within CloudPano. They've been really great about letting you upload you don't just have those, you have a seemingly infinite amount if you choose to upload your own images. Okay, the next thing we're going to go into is we are going to change the branding, and you don't even need to have a paid account for this, which is remarkable.